Okay, so now we're going to do a walkthrough on what to do if you're going to change settings on the VFDs for the compressor and the supply fan. Right now we have power to the unit. You need power to those VFDs, but with no call for cooling. So what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect this 24 volt on the PLC, just like that. These are all off. And we're going to walk over here to the supply fan. And on the right side here, we have the VFD. We can cycle through different settings using the mode. We'll come back to 0 hertz, which is what it should, what the readout should be. Right here, it'll show you it's at 60. If you go up, it'll say high, low, it'll say low. Go back to mode. So you're gonna go mode, AUF, press enter, it'll take you there. Mode will take you back. Mode again will take you back to the beginning. So if you do want to set something, you would go in through here, go to mode, cycle through to wherever you're going. Let's go to F. F is for function. We'll go enter, and you can go through to any of the multitude of functions. Let's go 108. We'll hit enter. It's right here at 0. You can go up through it depending on what you need to set it to. Go back to 0, enter. It'll flash. It's taking it, and hit mode, back to the beginning. So that's the supply fan. Over here to the compressor, it's a little bit harder to get to. Usually how I do it is I'll reach in through, up and underneath the wheel here, and then you can go ahead and adjust. But I'm gonna flip around over the top. Have the top off already. This one's pretty easy. Let's say that we're gonna change the frequency. We can press enter and it will start flashing on the digit that you want to change. So we could go down and we'll go to 59.99. But if you want to do it a little easier, you can move the cursor. Let's say we want to go to 40 hertz, and we can drop it down. We're gonna hit enter. It'll flash. Hit enter again, and it's saved. So let's change it back really quick. Go again. Now, if you want to go to different functions or different sub menus, you're going to use the left and right arrow to move through those. And if you wanted to go back, let's say you're over here, hit escape. It's going to bring you back to the beginning. You can also use the up and down arrows to move through a different set of sub menus. Same deal. Whenever you make a change on it, you're going to hit enter, and it will flash, and then hit enter again, and it'll save, and then you hit escape to get back out.